Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to install SQL Server using PowerShell. Okay, so let's get started. I'm following one website. I'll show you that. Okay, so this is that website. Okay, I'll provide the link. So this is a GitHub, and it has all the scripts required for installing SQL Server. Okay, so this install SQL Server is the main PowerShell script, and these are the template configuration files. Okay, and I have created directory structure like this, so you should also create a directory structure like this. Okay, and setup file, configuration file, and PowerShell script all should be in the same folder. Okay, now this is that this is the PowerShell command we need to execute. Okay, so this website shows everything, like what the script is doing. Okay, it is installing SQL Server 2017 or 19 or 22. Okay, and writes the configuration file to C temp drive. Okay, and it configures the max DOP, maximum degree of parallelism. Okay, and it sets the TCP port whichever you provide. Okay, and it says it installs CU pack, but I have tried this script, but it did not install CU pack, so I need to figure it out. So here I have downloaded the cumulative updates and kept it in my laptop. Okay, so these are the parameters. First one is instance name. It should be the your instance name. Okay, and if you want to install default instance, you don't have to provide this name. Okay, this is optional. And is password is mandatory field. You should provide a strong password. Is default if you want to install default instance root directory where you want to store the SQL Server installation files, and user database files. All these parameters you can say where you want to store the user database, temp DB, backup files. Okay, and install SSMS, this is optional. If you provide it, it will install SSMS. Okay, and auto max memory, this is also optional. Maximum memory dedicated to SQL Server, don't patch, custom script, and auto reboot. Okay, these are some of the examples. You can use this script free of cost. I'll paste a link in the description. So now I'm browsing that a website, a blog. Okay, so this is that blog. Okay, from lad DBA. Okay, he has nicely explained everything, what to do, how to download the files from GitHub. Okay, so let's get started. I have already installed SQL Server in my laptop. Okay, I have installed a named instance. Now I'll show you that. Okay, so this is that named instance. I have connected to SSMS. I have also installed SSMS on my laptop. Okay, so now let's install another named instance. I have named it this one as SQL 2022_01. Okay, and let's install one more named instance and we will call it SQL 2022_02. Okay. Now open PowerShell as an administrator. Okay, let's open that. Okay, so this is a command I'll run now, but it will throw an error. First we need to navigate to that folder. So I have created a folder structure. Let me navigate to that. cd dot dot, go one step back, again go back to C drive. Now we are in C drive. Okay, and now you should go to D drive. So D colon, and now go to software drive. So I have kept all the softwares in this folder. Okay, you can see here. Okay, now I should run that command. Okay, so not this one, but the entire command. Let me run that. I have copied it and paste it now. Okay, now it will ask for do not run once. Okay, click on R, type R and enter. Now the installation has been started. Okay, now it will just ask you to provide a target location where the installation media will be stored. Okay, now I am giving in D drive. Okay, select any folder in D drive and click on OK. Okay, and click on install. So now the installation has started. Okay, it will take some I don't know, 10 to 15 minutes. So let me pause the video and come back. Okay, you can see now the installation has completed successfully. Okay, and your instance name is SQL 2022_02. Okay, so we can close this window and let's open SSMS. Okay, and connect to this newly installed named instance. Okay, this is my old instance. So let me close the connection and connect to the new instance. Okay, click on connect and provide this instance name as 02 and click on connect. Okay, so we have successfully installed SQL Server using PowerShell and also connected using SSMS. Okay, now you can check your version of the SQL Server, and if required you can update the patches. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps.